Home maintenance is a primary responsibility of every homeowner. Staying on top of a seasonal home maintenance schedule is very important, and the neighborhood certified home inspector can help. Minor maintenance and routine home repairs should not turn into expensive disasters later due to neglect or simply because the homeowner isn't sure what needs to be done and when. Every home maintenance or repair project starts with taking a close look. Homeowners should hire a professional inspector to do a close look at the entire home and property. Every home should be inspected every year by an InterNACHI certified professional inspector as part of a homeowner's routine home maintenance plan. A home inspection report is a great place to start. Homeowners can use the inspection report as a list of things to monitor, repair, and replace. Homeowners can use their inspector as a home consultant. Whenever anything goes wrong and is in need of repair or renovation, the home inspector is the neutral third-party professional who can be trusted to provide an unbiased opinion about the condition of the home. Home ownership is both a joyful experience and an important responsibility. So homeowners should call upon their local InterNACHI certified professional inspectors to help them make annual home maintenance plans that will keep their families safe and their homes in top condition for years to come.